Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use coffee for hair loss, how to use coffee rinse to stop hair loss and promote new hair growth. So if you guys wanna know more about it, then continue watching. First, we need to make coffee. Here I have added 2 teaspoons of coffee with 2 cups of water, and I'm gonna boil it until all the coffee gets dissolved in the water. Then I'm gonna turn off the heat and let the coffee come down to room temperature. Only then we can use it on our hair. Next, we need to apply the coffee on clean scalp. I have washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner on the previous day, and on the next day I'm applying the coffee on my scalp. The caffeine present in coffee blocks DHT. It stimulates hair shaft elongation, resulting in wider hair roots. It also elongates anagen phase, which is the hair growth phase. Coffee rinse can be helpful for dull, brittle, dry hair, especially hair that lacks shine. Coffee can help to fight frizziness and promote soft, shinier hair. Also, if you have gray hair and if you want to dye your gray hair, then coffee rinse can be especially helpful for you, as coffee can stain anything that is white, because coffee already has naturally dark color to it. So if you have white hair or gray hair, then coffee rinse can be helpful for you, because it can naturally add dark color to your hair. After applying the coffee on the scalp, I'm gonna leave it on for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes I'm gonna rinse it off only using water, nothing else. And for the rest of the coffee, I'm gonna use it as a hair rinse on the rest of my hair. Just how I do ACV rinse, like that I'm gonna use the coffee as a hair rinse. So now to my final thoughts after doing the coffee rinse on my scalp and my hair. The first thing I noticed was my hair fall. On the day I did the coffee rinse, I did not get any hair fall in the shower. Like when I do wash my hair with water or with shampoo and conditioner, I do get some amount of hair fall, but after rinsing my hair with coffee, I did not get any hair fall in the shower. And after that, once my hair got dry and I combed it, I get really less hair fall count compared to other days. And also the coffee rinse added volume to my hair, which I loved, and my hair felt a lot more softer and shinier than before. And as my hair is already dark, I didn't see any difference in the hair color. But if you have lighter hair color, then you can expect added darker tint to your hair after doing the coffee rinse. And I was expecting that my hair might feel a bit dry after doing the coffee rinse, but surprisingly my hair did not feel dry at all after doing the coffee rinse, which I am super happy about. And also the coffee rinse did not leave behind any residue on my hair, so you don't need to wash your hair with shampoo after using the coffee rinse. Just wash your hair with shampoo before doing the coffee rinse. So I really liked doing the coffee rinse on my hair, and I think I'm gonna do it in the future as well. And I would definitely recommend you guys to do it as well on your hair if you have hair loss problem, or if you want to add shine and volume to your hair. And that's it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.